Hi students, I wanted to make a video to explain how to complete the color coding portion of this assignment. So this is going to be your rough draft. So when you get your document, it will look like this, and you will basically erase this and write your title, and you'll erase this and put your name, and then you'll erase this and you should just begin typing. So erase it and then just type. As long as you don't change anything up here or over here, it should be set up exactly the way I want it. So one full page with these settings. So let's just say you have your completed rough draft. What you're going to do is you are going to look back into your packet, and you're going to you're going to fill in the elements that you chose. So let's say I chose setting, time, and dramatic irony. Okay, so these will be my elements that I'm going to color code within my writing. Okay, so then you're going to go into your writing and you are going to use the colors that you chose to highlight and color code the parts of your story that demonstrate that element. So if I use dramatic irony, then I'm going to want to highlight it here. And we all were required to do mood and tone, so I'm going to highlight words and phrases that contribute to a mood and tone. I'm going to highlight my setting. I'm going to highlight my dramatic irony. I'm going to highlight my time, whatever elements that I chose. And this will help me to grade your paper a little more easily, because instead of, let's say you used dramatic irony but I missed it, this will help me not miss it, so I can know for sure that I'm grading you fairly. So you're going to want to be really diligent about highlighting the different elements according to this color coding system. Okay?